So after office hours, came here to do some gardening, planting a cassava. I uprooted these ones last week. You can see already started, the shoot already started coming. So today I planted 6 sticks. So hopefully they'll be okay, inshallah, bismillah. So hari ni kita tanam batang-batang ubi kayu, 6 batang ubi kayu yang ditanam hari ini. Alright, so sekarang kena seram air. After this, try to sprinkle some water on it. Hopefully in few days time it will be strong and then to get hold. So ini adalah kerja-kerja pertanian yang kita buat. Okay, what we do normally when we come back from work, insyaAllah. So in 7 weeks time, dalam 7 minggu, ready untuk dicabut, insyaAllah. In 7 months, 7 bulan, in 7 months, insyaAllah. Okay. So seram air. Okay, seram air sikit-sikit, You just sprinkle some water. Not too much, Just a little bit of water. Not too much. Not too much. Just a little bit of water. Provide some soothing environment for the young trees or young stick. So ini untuk seram air sikit-sikit, Okay, hopefully bismillah to be okay, inshallah.